guys, welcome back to the Goofy Show videos. And lately I've been creating only shorts today. But right now, this is my next full video. And today we're gonna be doing a science experiment with Coca-Cola and Mentos. So you all know this trend, right? Coca-Cola is folding from Mentos. Daddy!
Yeah.
Daddy? And yeah, I'm gonna be doing this experiment with my daddy. And guys, if you are curious in this video, you can try doing this. And I'm pretty nervous because okay. And now we're gonna be starting the experiment. I'm nervous. Put the Mentos inside.
Put it.
Give me the Mento.
Hindi yan. Hindi man mangyayari.
Okay.
Hindi naman.
Daddy, wait. Let's
Go.
3. We're gonna put the Mento inside in 3, 2, 1. It's gonna explode. Yeah. Salat. That was really, really cool. And guys, that was it for today. We did the experiment and we succeeded. So the myth is Mentos do make Coca-Cola explode. I'll see you guys next time.